like all my music is pretty old. But here, let's start with this song today. I'm in a good mood. This morning was like fucking fantastic, so.
Spike lee, white girl, iced tea, fully loaded AP. Yeah, I just fuck your bitch.
Long story short, we are headed to Dior. So this morning I went to go grab my girl a bag. She doesn't know I'm grabbing her this, by the way. And I thought this was the bag she really wanted. But then recently she posted on Instagram a different bag. So then I'm like, fuck, I got her the incorrect bag. So we're just gonna go switch it out real quick. Then we're gonna come back home and I'm gonna show you guys the coolest shit I've developed with the charts, trading, etc., and different partnerships with a new brokerage that I will be announcing in the upcoming weeks. Kind of not the situation I wanted to get myself into. The bag that my girl wants, right, wasn't at that store. Therefore, just put it this way. The bag that she wants, there's only one available left in the US. There's only one available. And it's in fucking Los Angeles. And we're in Miami right now. Alright, so I gotta hit up one of my boys from Los Angeles to buy it for me, have it on hold, and then on Thursday when I get there, pretty much he'll just give it to me and I'll give it to her. But the chances of me getting this bag are slim to none, so we'll see how it goes. So, right now we came here to Puerto Tropical. We just needed something really quickly to get in our systems because we're hungry. And then from this, I have a meeting at 8 with Jessica. She's the owner of My Pips. I'll comment down or I'll put down in the description My Pips Telegram so you guys could actually go and take her signals as well. I have a meeting with her, then I have another meeting with someone I just hired into My Pips because I'm helping her out with that. And then from there, I'll be teaching you guys, or I'll be talking about what I'm going to be doing in the upcoming weeks as far as for education, YouTube content, etc. What's up, guys? We're back on the charts. We're looking at Euro AUD, and what we're looking at is at a trending channel. So trending channel is one of my favorite tools or formulas to actually insert into market conditions due to the fact that if you understand simple support and resistance, right, and you're trading on a higher time frame, let's say the 1 hour to 4 hour time frame where you could catch a good amount of pips if the market is being volatile in a consolidation factor, you guys could make a lot of money, right? But long story short, to explain what's a consolidating factor is something really simple. It's when the market is consolidating, right, from one point to the other point, right? One point to the other point to the other point. Right now, a lot of times you're going to be told not to trade consolidation. That is true, and that is also untrue. It's a 50-50 thing, right? If you have a market that's consolidating in a small area where the area is only 10 to 20 pips, there's no reason to enter it unless you're going to be scalping it, and that's if you're a scalper. But now, if you are a day trader or swing trader, someone who wants to hold a position, right, you could trade this essentially because here the market's consolidating up and down in an upwards trend. So why is this so important? Well, check it out. The market went up, the market went down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, etc. Let's skip all the way towards here. Then the market enters this little realm right here where it went up, went down, went up, went down, went up, went down. And right here, as you can see, look at the major thing you want to look at right here. It went up, right? And then the market reached this point where it went up to that point and then couldn't go further, right? Now, look at this point. It's lower than the previous. Now, look at this point. It's lower than the previous. Therefore, it has lost momentum and now it's coming towards the downside. Now, what are we waiting for here as a trader? Essentially, all we're waiting for is for the market to break this support. And once it breaks this support and breaks this support, then we could expect to catch anywhere from, it's going to be about 150 pips, more or less, 150. We'll put it here to be conservative. Fuck, I can't even pronounce that word correctly. But conservative, whatever it's called.
Conservative.
Yeah, man. Fuck that word, man. But we're going to put it most likely around here. You could put different take profits depending on your trading style. But, you know, what I would do is put my first take profit right here. My second one would go typically right around the middle.
And then my third would go right around this area right here. So this will be our 3 different take profits. And essentially, this is how simple it is to use a trending channel. With that being said, I hope you guys have learned a lot. If you guys have any questions or anything, link it down below. If you guys want to get access to my free Telegram channel where I send out free signals every single day, the description will be down below. But with that being said, guys, I appreciate you all. Everyone have a fantastic day.